we have given radius r and we have to find the circumference and area of a circle. So let's draw first the circle. We know that diameter, this is our diameter, and the radius r. We know that formula for circumference C is equal P times D. In this example, we have given R, and we know that D is equal to R, to radius. Diameter is equal to radius. So our circumference is equal pi times D is equal to R. We know our R is 14.5 centimeter. So this is equal pi times 2 times 14.5 centimeter. So this is equal, we can use calculator. We have pi times 2 times 14.5. This is equal 91.10, and we have to round to the nearest tenth, so it's exactly 91.1. centimeter. Now we have to find the area of our circle, and we know formula for area is pi r square. So we have pi times r is 14.5 centimeter to second power, so this is equal, we have pi times 14.5 square, so this is equal, and we have to round to nearest tenth, so it will be 660.5. Of course, square centimeter. This is my solution.